Hey everyone, so now I'll be explaining you how you can create a package and import it in your code, okay, or in your file of Mojo, right? So for that, I created a package here. See, a package, then module, okay. Let me just close everything so that things will be more clear for you all, right? I know I close all, right? Okay, let's create a folder package. Okay, inside that, create a file Mojo with in it. Okay, keep it empty. Just underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot Mojo to create a package. Okay, once it's done, then create another file inside that. What I did is just copied it the structure that we created in a structure tutorial, right? And we'll copy and paste it here. Okay, once it's done, then this package is here. Okay, after that we need to import that package, right? So what you need to do is simple. From package, the package name that we gave the module name, the file name inside that, and this what we are importing it from there, right? So, and we are printing it here in the main, as I explained you in the past videos. So if you're not getting it, let just check it out the old videos to know more better. Right. 7. Okay. So it's telling me that model is not defined, blah blah blah. Right. It's just because they have some issues when you run it again and again. So it's not a problem. But this is a way how you can create and package and import it. Okay. Another way to create a package is and create a compiler, so or a binary file, and that I'll be explaining you in the next video.